Yes, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fikris and now I will show you simulation for experiment 6 of activity 1, which is star connected source with star connected output. Okay, this is the little circuit of activity 1. And now I will write it for the first value of resource, which is 45 volts, and I will run it. And now we can see as we can see now, we want to find the value of VRN, VRY, IRN, and P and Q. And this is the value of VRN, this is for VRY, and this for IRN, and this for power, and this for Q, the unit of VAR. And now we will change the value of resource to the 90 volt. We open it and we choose the parameters and we change this value to 90 volt. Okay, and we just click OK. Now we will run it again, and it's compiling the result, and we got the new result for 90 volt. New VRN, new VRY, new IRN, new P and Q. This is the result of this of 90 volts. And for the last change of value of V of volt, we change it to 135 volts. As usual, we open it, we click the parameters. For information, I'm using MATLAB for this simulation. And we just change to 135 volts and click OK, and then we run the circuit. It's compiling, and then we got the new value of VRN, of VRY, IRN, and P and Q. Yeah, that's the value. Okay, that's all for me for the simulation of activity 1 of star connected source with star connected outload. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Akila binti Rahman. Today I want to show the simulation of Proteus by the experiment 6, activity 2, the connection circuit of star 3-phase star delta connection. And I will run for the 3 voltage, which is 45 volt, 90 volt, and 130 volt, 135 volt. And here it's blank, and this is 45 volt for the reading of watt. Here I use 2 watt, as this is 3-phase connection. There will be 2 wattmeter and 1 AC voltage and 2 AC ampere, AC ammeter, 2 AC ammeter, which is 1 for R and 1 for Y connection. And this is R, this is Y line, and this is blue line. And I will start with 45 volt of amplitude, which is I use RMS. As we can see, the watt is 90.9, and this is the reading of AC voltmeter, and this is 1.18, and this is 0.77 of AC ampere. And now let's change to the bar. We change it for both sides, upper and bottom, and we run again and wait for the reading, which is the reading is 17.5 bar. And we change to the 90 volt, of RMS at the amplitude, and this is the final reading. Oh wait, this is the final reading, and we change to the watt meter. And we run again, and that's the final reading of 364 watt for the 90 volt amplitude. And we change to 135 volt. Wait, sorry. And we run. We wait for the watt of the reading, wattage. And this is the final reading, 818, and this 3 meter give output also. And we stop the simulation and change for the bar. Make sure to change in every both side. As you change for the bar top and bottom, you must change for the wattage also for the both side. And we run the simulation again, and that's the final reading, 157. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Hello and good day to everyone. My name is Shafiq and I will continue our presentation, which is activity 3. Activity 3 is the connection diagram for 3-phase 3-wire star connector voltage source with a star connected RL load, resistor and inductor. This is our 3-phase power supply, is 450 volts. The LV transformer voltage will be our variable, which are 45 volt, 90 volt and 135 volts. In this circuit, we are going to define our VRN, VRY, IRN, real power P and reactive power Q. So first, let's start with 45 volts. So this is our VRN, which is 46.8 volts. Our VRY 74.969. Our IRN 0.4636, and this is our real power 60.61 watt, and our reactive power 2.382 bar. Next, we are going to use the 90 volts. So this is our VRN 93.59, VRY 149.4, IRN 0.9272, real power 242.4 watt, and our reactive power 9.526 bar. Finally, we are going to find the 135 volts. So this is the VRN 140.4 volt, VRY 234.1 volt, IRN current 1.39 ampere, our power 545.5 watt, and reactive power 21.42 var. So basically, as well as you can see, when the voltage load increase, we can conclude that the VRN, VRY, IRN and the real power and reactive power also increase. So that's all for me. Thank you.